So if you have a rough and bumpy skin and you have used different skincare products, you have done different DIYs and tips, but nothing seemed to be actually working, then this is the actual video you need, because I was able to transform my skin from this rough, textured and bumpy to something you're seeing right now on your screen with the aid of effective products. And the last product I'll be mentioning in this video is super effective. In fact, that was the game changer that transformed my skin. So you actually want to watch this product you'll be needing as a beginner or as somebody that wants to clear his or her skin and have a smooth skin is a cleanser. Yeah, so you need a cleanser. Now this cleanser needs to have an active ingredient inside of it, just so you know. So for me, I do use salicylic acid. Now salicylic acid has helped, clogging of my pores, making sure that all my pores are open and nothing there. So you need a salicylic acid cleanser in your skincare routine. Now for the sake of this video, I did draft out cleansers that you can actually get that are quite affordable. The first cleanser that I drafted out is the Face Fat Ceramide Blemish Clarifying Foaming Cleanser, this one here. Now this particular cleanser here contains 2% of salicylic acid plus niacinamide. Now this 2% of salicylic acid is not really much, but it is what you need for your skin right now, because it's going to help open all those pores, make sure that your pores are open, make sure that all those textured skins, you need salicylic acid. And niacinamide helps with textured and large pores, just so you know. So you actually need this facial wash in your skincare routine. Now if you don't have it, try and make sure that you get something that contains salicylic acid inside of it. Salicylic acid, but not too much of salicylic acid, just so you know. Now the next thing you'll be needing is going to be a toner. I know I do say in my videos that toners are optional, but for the sake of this particular problem, which is you want to have a smooth, radiant skin, you'll be needing a toner. Yes, you'll be needing a toner. And for the sake of this video, I have used this particular toner, and that is why I'm actually making a proper review about this toner. Now this is the Aqua Liquorize pH Balancing Cleansing Toner. Now this toner, I started using it 2 months ago, just if I'm not mistaken. This particular toner has actually helped in clearing of my dark spots and the pimples I do have before at my face, and it did help with my uneven skin tone. Now this toner actually helps. Now it is not only a cleansing toner, okay, it is also a pH balancing toner. Now if you're the kind of person that has a sensitive skin, that means your skin is so sensitive, any little thing, there's redness here and there, you need this particular toner, because with the aid of this toner you'll be able to balance your pH, but it's still going to do the job. It's going to clean your skin, it's going to brighten your skin, and this is what you actually need. Now how I do use this is I always make sure I get a cotton pad. All right, so I get a cotton pad and I pour little drops of it into my cotton pad, then I go all over my face, I wipe my face, I make sure that everything is clean. And even though I do wash my face for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, there's still some dirt on my face. So this toner helps in removing those dirt, keeping my skin clean and all. So you actually need this in your skincare routine. If you want to have a smooth skin, then get this affordable. Now the next that you'll be needing, now we are done with toners, we'll talk about serums. You need a serum in your skincare routine. Now if your skin is so textured like this, your skin is very textured, very rough, you need something more powerful, okay? You need something that can do more for you. So I recommend you get the annual 10% azelaic acid. The annual 10% azelaic acid, this one here. Now let me break down for you why you need an azelaic acid in your skincare routine. Now first things first is that, just so you know, this particular azelaic acid is safe for all skin types. So if you have dry skin, you have oily skin, you have combination, normal, sensitive skin, this particular serum is safe to use. All right, take me anywhere, it is safe to use. Now why should you incorporate an azelaic acid into your skincare product? First things first is it fades hyperpigmentation, okay? So such as sunspots, such as dark spots, and melasma, you know what I mean by melasma, the one that comes around your cheek zone, it fades it. So you need azelaic acid. So if you fall in that category of people that have those kind of issues, get an azelaic acid. Now the second reason why you need an azelaic acid is because it treats acne and pimples. It helps in clogging of your pores. Now it helps in killing of the probiotic acne, okay, which causes you to break out. It kills it. Azelaic acid is going to kill it for you. So you actually need this because somebody that has a rough skin, meaning you may have tiny bumps here or on your forehead, constantly. So you need an azelaic acid so that it can kill out those bacteria on your face and leaving your face feeling smooth and radiant. Do you get? Now the third reason why you need it is because it improves your skin texture with time. Now with constant usage, your skin tends to improve. So if your skin has been looking textured, rough, bumpy, your skin will improve. You will see the appearance that no, your skin is improving. That is why you need an azelaic acid. There are so many reasons and there are so many benefits of azelaic acid that you need to start incorporating into your skincare routine. Don't say I did not tell you. Now if you're using azelaic acid, now this is just how you should go about it. All right, now incorporate it into your skincare routine from 2 to 3 times in a week. Note what I said, 2 to 3 times in a week. That's only why you need to use an azelaic acid as a beginner. Don't say I did not tell you. Now if you've used any of these products that I'm mentioning, tell me in the comment section. If you also have some skincare issues, you can actually consult me. I'm available for skincare consultations. I've helped so many people achieve a clear and healthy skin. All right, so don't forget to let me know. Tell me in the comment section. Now moving forward is a moisturizer. You need a moisturizer, okay? Now what moisturizers are you then to get? Because remember, we're trying to have a smooth skin, so we don't need anything that's going to clog our pores. We don't need any skincare product or any moisturizer that is comedogenic. We need something non-comedogenic. So you need a moisturizer, and what I have here is non-comedogenic, and it will hydrate your skin and it will give you that glow and glass skin that you're looking for. Now this is the Cosrx Advanced Nail 92 all-in-one cream. This one you're seeing here, the original one, just so you know. Now this will actually hydrate and help your skin. It's going to hydrate. We all know it will hydrate your skin. It will give your skin that glowy look, that effective and elastic look. You'll love your skin appearance. Now this particular one is going to improve your skin texture with time. It is so lightweight and it's not comedogenic. If you have used this Cosrx, tell me your experience about it in the comment section. Let me know. So this is what you need. Now to top it all, the last product is what I told you guys helped me, right? Now that is actually a sunscreen. So some of you neglect sunscreens, but sunscreens are so helpful, okay? They are so helpful to the skin. They can help you with your hyperpigmentation, which is something that as someone that is an acne prone, it has actually transformed my skin for me. Like my skin is looking all smooth and healthy right now, and I love the effect. That is because of its sunscreen. So now the sunscreens I'm mentioning for you are affordable sunscreens, so you want to actually take note. Now what I have here is the Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture SPF 50, and this particular one is from the Nivea, and it will protect your skin. Yes, it will, and it's not going to clog your pores. It's not going to clog your pores. Nivea products are so good, so it's not going to clog the pores. It is water resistant, so it's not like all these sunscreens that maybe if you sweat, all the whole white things will be coming off, and no, it's not like that. Whether you sweat, it's still gonna stay intact, okay? It's gonna sink down into your skin without showing any guys any side effects. Yes, this is just a step-by-step routine that anyone can incorporate. So having a textured skin, you can actually fade it. But some of the things I feel like you all don't understand is that it takes time. You need consistency, okay? Consistency is what you need. You don't need to be in a hurry. You don't need to be in a hurry to achieve that glam that you're looking for. No, because if you want to achieve a healthy skin, it will actually take you time and effort before you can achieve a healthy glowing skin. It took me time and effort to achieve this to be in the right track of a healthy skin. And that is what I'm saying, this out of experience. So be patient with your skincare products. As long as you know that the product you got is for your skin type, it's for your skin issue, be patient with your skincare product. And don't be in a hurry to jump from one skincare product to another within the space of maybe a week. No. Except that product is breaking you out, you can stop using that product. But if the product is not breaking you out, you need to see the best. You need to use that product and see how best it can help your skin before you change. This is just my little advice to you all. And if you actually like my video, you can actually subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay connected with Sunshine Skincare Diary. You're all highly welcome. But for now, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.